Let's practice solving for a specific variable. For example, if we have this formula for the area of a rectangle, area equals length times width. What if we want to solve for length? What does that even mean? Okay, when we want to solve for a specific variable, it means we want that variable to be by itself on a side. So right now, we have this formula in terms of A. A equals something. But what if we want to solve for L? I want L by itself. Well, in this case, we would want to move this W over. Okay, so area equals length times width. We want to move the W over to the left side. So how can we do that? The way you do that is you look at what's happening between L and W. So right now, it's L times W. So if we want to move W to the left, we do the opposite operation. So instead of multiplying by W, we want to divide both sides by W. Okay, now W divided by W, it cancels out. That's just 1. So we have L equals area divided by width. And that's what L equals. Area divided by width. Okay, now what if we wanted to solve for width? What if we want width by itself? If we want to solve for width, then we divide both sides by length, by L. And this cancels out, L divided by L. Width equals area divided by length. Okay, let's do another one. How about circumference? Circumference of a circle is given as diameter times pi. Okay, what if we want to solve for diameter? If we want diameter by itself, then we just need to divide both sides by pi. Okay, so divide by pi, divide by pi, pi divided by pi cancels, diameter equals circumference divided by pi. Now what about pi? If you've ever wondered how did mathematicians define pi, they actually found it by dividing a circle by its diameter. The circumference of a circle divided by diameter. That is actually the definition of pi. Circumference divided by diameter. Okay, what about perimeter? So perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. Okay, so what if we wanted to solve for width now? Okay, let's solve for width. First step, let's move 2L over to the other side. So let's subtract both sides of the equation by 2L. Okay, so this cancels out. We get P minus 2L equals 2W. And now to solve for W, divide both sides by 2. 2 divided by 2 cancels out. And we have W equals perimeter minus 2 times the length, all divided by 2. So no matter what specific variable you're solving for, Your goal is to get that variable by itself on one side. And there are so many formulas that exist in math that this is kind of an abstract exercise. It's going to be something that you need to figure out how to do, because it'd be impossible for a video to cover all of the formulas and all of the specific variables that you could solve for. Okay, so this concept, it's going to be something that you need to practice and figure out on your own.